Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna be creating seats from Battletoads using polymer clay. For this figurine I'm using Cosclay. Cosclay is flexible and the figurine is indestructible now. With this clay the figurine is durable, flexible, so you can move the different parts. It could fall and it won't break. Survive. So watch me create seats from the 2020 remake of Battletoads using polymer clay. If you like this video, hit that like button and share it with your friends. I really appreciate your support. First, I'm gonna be creating the armature. I'm using a fluorite wire for this armature. Then I'm going to be covering the wires from the armature with paper towel, aluminum foil and tape. Now I'm covering the armature with blue clay from the pasta machine, and I'm going to be sculpting and carving the details. Now I'm creating the toad feet details. I'm using the tool to smooth the clay and fix any imperfection. Then I will be using isopropyl alcohol to smooth the clay and remove any fingerprints it may have. To apply this, I will be using a cotton swab or a baby wipe. I'm gonna be carving some of the details and fixing the proportions. Then I will be sanding the carved parts, and once sanded, I will be using nail polish remover to smooth the surface. I'm adding the muscles using a blue piece of clay, and I will be using Bake and Bond to add the new clay to the already baked clay. Now, I'm going to be creating the gloves using a small block of brown clay. And then I will be creating the fingers using a small snake of blue clay. Now I'm going to be creating the head and the chest muscles using a yellow ball of clay. And I'm using Bake and Bond to glue the new clay with the already baked clay. I am trying to make the head, but it's not looking very good. I spent many hours working on the face details off camera, and I'm still not happy with the results. I was not able to make the mouth the same way as the picture, so I tried to make it doing a big smile, thinking that way it will be simple. I was not happy with the results, and I continued looking for other expressions until I found another picture with a different expression. Now I'm trying to follow the new picture. And as you can see, I spent many more hours working on the mouth details off camera. Now I'm making the teeth using white clay. Now I'm making the eyes and the eyebrows. I'm using Bacon Bond again to glue the new clay to the head. As you can see, I remove all the different parts of the pasta machine, leaving only the rollers. That way it's very easy to clean. Now I'm creating the body belts using yellow clay from the pasta machine. Now, I'm creating the belt using brown clay and a small piece of gold and green clay. thank you for watching me create Sitz from the 2020 remake of Battletoads. To support the channel, the only thing you have to do is to like this video and share it with your friends.